guys, kami dari kelompok 3 bahasa Inggris yang beranggotakan saya Salsabila Andira,
Saya Rizky Ningsi,
Saya Armando Ramadhani, saya dan Aini Ramadhani.
Saya Indra Yuni Tagalong.
Selamat menyaksikan video kami.
Bye-bye.
Hi team, we have arrived at building at 9 a.m. Who knows the way there?
I know, ma'am. We have to take the left round from here.
That's right, Lucia. Please tell you how long it takes.
About 10 minutes, ma'am.
Do we have to go through the city park?
Yes, you have to pass around the city park. Dian, please take note of the instruction.
Yes, ma'am. So we take the left road past the city park and arrive at building A at 9.
That's right. Does everyone understand?
Yes, I get it, ma'am.
I understand too.
I'm ready.
I'm ready to take notes.
Alright, let's go in.
Let's go!